This is the automatic blood pressure measuring machine. Here is the cuff. We have to tie this to the arm. And this is the machine. In this we can measure the systole, diastole and the pulse rate. Here is the start and the stop button. We have tied the cuff to the hand. This wire should be medially, prefer it. Then the machine, we have to press the start button. Then set. The machine has started. The systolic pressure is 103, the diastolic pressure is 69 and the pulse rate is 77 per minute. This is the blood pressure measuring machine's monitor. On the back side, when you open this, there are the 4 cells. These are the 4 AA cells. The battery operates on them. So this is my video on how to operate the automatic digital machine.